Hi, this is Dan with the Homegrown Food Forest. We're here in Central Florida, Zone 9B, and today we're going to talk about Synsepalum dulcificum. And it's basically the miracle fruit. It's something that changes your flavor palette. It'll turn anything that is, after you eat the fruit, it will change anything that is normally sour into sweet. And we have a couple full-grown fruits on here that we're going to harvest today. We ended up getting this tree about 3 years ago from Our Kids Nursery. It's down located in Winter Garden, Florida. And this year it started to put on some pretty good fruit. I do apologize about the wet leaves and everything. We just got a big rainstorm here today. Today is April 24th, and we're going to take a look and start harvesting. So you'll notice they turn from small green fruits into red. Red is when they're ready to harvest. And we're going to go ahead and start picking some here. Look how cool they look. They're a little bit smaller than a grape. Themselves, they have kind of a sour note to themselves, but like I said, they'll turn anything that is normally sour into tasting very sweet. They use this for cancer patients and diabetics to use as like an artificial, not an artificial sweetener, a natural sweetener that can cut down on some regular sugar and make foods that normally wouldn't be so appetizing delicious. Let's see how many we got here. And it starts out as these little tiny nodules on here, and these will eventually turn into the fruits once they're pollinated. The flowers will be small, white flowers. I'll see if I can find some of those as well to show you guys. Here's a unripe fruit. See, it's like a little green, slightly smaller than the ones that are being harvested right now. It doesn't look like we have any of the white flowers on here at the moment, but it does produce those throughout the year. We do have a couple large spider webs on here that are catching and maintaining the pests in the area too. And again, that's Miracle Fruit, Zone 9B, Central Florida.